So, hello, good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at home. And after all the Christmas vacations, exams, and everything, you all are free now. So, again, we are going to start with our English chapter, that is chapter number 7, Fair Play. Now, in this chapter is already given in two parts. So, we will also divide this chapter into two parts. First part I will explain you now, second part I will give you later, and then with that second part I will give you the PDF. So, we'll start with the chapter. Keep your textbook with you whenever I am explaining the chapter. That time you should have your textbook with you so that you can also know what I am reading, how I am pronouncing the words, and you get the proper meaning of it. So, we'll start with the chapter, that is chapter number 7, Fair Play. Before you read, has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do when then? Did you keep quiet or did you let your friend what you thought? Read the story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or a sense of what is right and wrong. Now here it is a story of a two friend. Now two friend means they are best of friends from their childhood. Okay. So they are so of best friends that there is situations coming in between them in which they have to decide क्या उनकी फ्रेंडशिप पक्की है या फिर ऐसी फ्रेंडशिप है कि एक फ्रेंड जो बोले दूसरा फ्रेंड उसी में ही हाँ में हाँ जवाब दे एक दूसरा फ्रेंड कुछ बोले तो वापस वाइस वर्सा इफ इट इज दैट कि हाँ 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 बोले या फिर हम हमारे दोस्तों अगर कोई गलती करते हैं तो हम उन्हें क्लियर करें कि यू आर डूइंग इट रॉन्ग और यू हैव टू डू इट प्रॉपरली और जो भी है कि हम सुधारें या फिर फ्रेंडशिप बचाने के लिए विल ऑलवेज say yes to our friends for all whatever they are doing. So, part 1, fair play. Now, it is as usual given in kind of paragraph. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. Now, two names which is Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were two friends, good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. Now, Algu and Juman Sheikh both were very good friends. So, whenever one of them is not there in the family, one of them is not there in the village, अगर एक नहीं है village में तो दूसरे उस उनके family का भी ख्याल रखता था. That was their friendship between them. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. Now Juman had an old aunt. तो उन्होंने क्या किया वो old aunt एज हो गया है उनका. So she had some property in her hand. So what did she do? She gave that property to Juman and she thought that he will take care of her and she will hand over the property क्योंकि वो अभी उनका ख्याल रखेगा तो उसको भी उनको भी पैसे की जरूरत होगी. So she willingly उनके मर्जी से ही वो प्रॉपर्टी उनके जुमान के नाम पे कर दिया. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. Juman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed this insult along with the food for a few months, but patience has its limit. Now, became indifferently means, देखो, now for a couple of years, मतलब कुछ सालों तक, couple of years means for a longer period of time, कुछ सालों तक, it was all okay. His wife was also taking care of that old aunt very nicely. But after a point of time, they also started feeling it very bored and the Juman's wife started grudging. Grudging means grumble करते रहना. अरे यार नहीं देखा जा रहा है नहीं संभालना है और वो अगर थोड़ा सा भी कुछ खाना खाते हैं तो उसका भी हिसाब देना कि ये खा रहे वो खा रहे इधर गंदा कर रहे उधर गंदा so all these grudged started and same how this Juman's wife was behaving Juman was also behaving the same so she understood somewhere that they are not anymore interested to look after her but she has given all her property to him. So what did she do? Some more of the time she just swallowed all the insult, मतलब सारे insult को सह लिया, ले लिया. She swallowed all the insult, and then couple of years also went away. But there is patience to everyone. हर एक चीज का एक लिमिट होता है. हम किसी को भी तंग करते हैं, हम किसी के बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं, हम कुछ भी करते हैं, सामने वाला अगर सह रहा है, that doesn't mean कि हम वो बार बार कर सकते हैं. So patience has an own limit. One day she spoke to Juman. My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen. Now, after she saw that whatever was going on, she told Juman that I know that obvious means बहुत ही clear है that you are not wanting to take care of me. So do one thing, give me my monthly allowance. Allowance means what? एक amount जो monthly वो आंट को दिया जाए ताकि वो अपना किचन अलग से सेटअप करे, अपना सब्जी ले सके, किचन अलग से सेटअप कर सके, अपना खाना वाना अलग से बना के खा सके, so that nobody gets irritated because of that. So she told Juman that you give me a monthly allowance. My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case in the village panchayat. Now, the way we are taking any problem to the court. So, in villages and early time, they used to take it to the panchayat. जहाँ पे मुखिया बहुत सारे जन बैठे होते, then they listen to both the parties and then they take some of the decisions. So Juman said very shamelessly to the aunt that आप शांति रखो, थोड़ा पेशेंट रखो, मेरी वाइफ को पता है कैसे घर संभालना है, so you please keep patient. And that was not she was expecting, that aunt was not expecting, and she did not like the way Juman told her. So she took this problem to the village panchayat. For many days, the old aunt was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. At last, she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. Now, make it up means क्या होता है कि जो quarrel जो भी चल रहा है कि कुछ एक आध कुछ सेटिंग में आ जाए, कुछ अग्रीमेंट ले लेवे और साथ में एक कॉर्डियल रिलेशन बना के रखे. Now, after she took the decision that she has to take it to the village panchayat, she started talking to the other villagers कि वो अपने जो भी अलग अलग लोगों को है विलेज में अपना सिचुएशन समझाने लगे कि what she was going through, what happened to her, and she was trying to explain कि what was she was going through. So she started to explain to them, and some sympathized with her that कि हाँ सही बात है आपके साथ गलत हुआ, and some were like कि laughed at her कि who told you to just give it your all the property to your nephew, and like that they all started laughing. And some others advised her that not to do this all this, take it to the village panchayat, just make it up with your nephew and their wife, और सब कुछ क्लैरिटी में ले लो, सब कुछ एक म्यूचुअल अग्रीमेंट में ले लो ताकि सब कुछ सही तरीके से आपका लाइफ आगे जा पाए. So after listening to all this, she went to Algu Chaudhary. Who was Algu Chaudhary? Juman Sheikh's best friend. Who was Algu Chaudhary? Juman Sheikh's best friend. So at last she went and talked to him. You know, Chachi, Juman is my best friend. How can I go against him? Algu said. But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just as fair? So now she told her problem to Algu, but he is telling that Chachi, you know that he is my best friend. So how can I go against my best friend? That is not what I can do. So aunt is saying that, do you think it is right to keep your mouth mum by knowing all the truth and all what is considered to be right or wrong? Mum means what? Quiet. Chup rehna. Mum matlab chup rehna. So she is telling you just had to know okay, what is fair and what is unfair. So you can take your decision accordingly. Pleaded the old lady. Come to the panchayat and speak the truth, she said. Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. Now after all this thing, she was a little confused about what to do, what not to do. So Algu said, "You come to the panchayat," and she said to Algu that you come to the panchayat and speak the truth. But Algu did not reply anything. But जो उन्होंने words बोले थे, ringing in her ear, in his ears means sometime it happens, no, whenever somebody is saying something and we know that that is correct what the other person is saying, so हमें कहीं ना कहीं हमारे दिमाग में वो चीज चलता रहता है कि क्या होगा, क्या सही है, क्या गलत है. So all the words of the old lady was going on ringing in his ears. I will also continue with part 2 because this chapter is divided into 3 parts. Our video will be divided into 2 parts, so don't get confused. So we'll continue with the part 2. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Juman stood up and said, "The voice of the panch is the voice of God." Now, after all the problems and everything, the panchayat was set up and they started. They were all sitting under an old banyan tree. Normally, हमेशा पंचायत ऐसे ही रुकता है under a tree. So he was very confident. He told that the voice of the punch is the voice of God. He will listen to what they are saying. So see, in the picture you can see how the panchayat is set up. They are all sitting under the tree. The main punch is sitting in the between. See, the main punch is sitting in between. Juman is standing here. That old lady, his aunt is standing here, and all the other people is also sitting around, because when the decision is coming, the decision is taken by panchayat, but the advice is asked to others also in the villages. So this how is the setup of the punch. Aunt nominate the head punch. I will abide her decision. Now he is telling कि आपको जो भी main punch चाहिए, मतलब जो main last का decision लेगा, आपको ऐसा है कि कोई ले, so you can abide your decision. I don't have any problem. That was Juman's suggestion. Nominate मतलब क्या कि कोई एक नाम suggest करना. The punch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? The old lady announced. Now, the old lady nominated who? The best friend of Juman's Sheikh, that is Algu Chaudhary. अब ओल्ड लेडी ने उनको नॉमिनेट किया है जो है अलगू चौधरी. शी हैज नॉमिनेटेड द मेन पंच जो लास्ट डिसीजन लेंगे. एंड शी टोल्ड अ सेंटेंस दैट अ पंचायत का जो मेन हेड है, दे नीदर नो फ्रेंड नॉर दे नो एनिमी. जो सच है उसका साथ देना है, भले आगे अपना दोस्त खड़ा हो कि एनिमी खड़ा हो. Fine, replied Juman, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Juman, said Algu. I know that, replied the aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the punch, and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. Now, when the Chachi nominated Algu as the punch, Juman was very happy. Why he was very happy? Because he knew somewhere Algu is his best friend. So whatever it will happen, Algu will take his side only. So he was very happy seeing that कि Algu का side Algu को punch बनाया है. And even Juman, Algu is saying कि Chachi, you know that I am best friend of Juman and you are choosing me. So Chachi is replying, that aunt is replying, I know that, but I also know that you will not kill your consciousness for the sake of friendship. Now conscious क्या होता है? कि हमारा अंदरूनी एक आवाज जो हमें पता होता है कि क्या सच है, क्या गलत है, क्या झूठ है, एंड हमें किसका साथ देना है, वो हमारा कॉन्शियस होता है. So she is telling, for the sake of friendship, you will not take any wrong decision. And she explained her, the whole case she explained. Juman said, Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? Now, Algu is making very clear to Juman that, see Juman, you and your aunt are very much dear to me, but now he is a punch, so he will take a decision only according to the right or wrong. He will not take the decision according to the relationship. So he is telling to Juman, if you want to defend yourself, because auntie has already told her side of story, if you want to defend yourself, you can continue with the story. 3 years ago, Begum Juman, my aunt, transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Now, 3 years ago, he explained that that aunt has transferred the money, the property to Juman, and he has promised to take care of her and support her as long as she is living. Now, he also told that some quarrels, some fights are taking place between the wife and the aunt, but he can't stop it. Now the aunt is asking for an allowance, that is a monthly income from him, which he is not ready to give, and he is telling that that is not possible for me to give to her, and that's all he wanted to say. Juman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, "We have gone into the matter carefully. In your opinion, Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her." Now, जुमान was cross examined. क्रॉस एग्जामिन्ड मीन्स कि पंच है, जैसे कोर्ट्स में भी होते हैं ना कि जो जज बैठे होते हैं वो जो मुजलिम है या जो डिफेंडर है उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, अपने हिसाब से एक क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि उनको भी पता करना होता है कि कौन सच बोल रहा है कौन गलत बोल रहा है. So they were cross examined, and after all the thing, Algu announced that we have gone into a matter carefully, that they have done it very carefully. Now, in your opinion, in our opinion, that is Panchayat's opinion, Juman must pay the monthly allowance to the aunt, or else he should give all the property back to her. Now, this was the decision of the Panchayat. Now, the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Juman was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. Now, seldom means rarely. The two friends were seldom seen together. मतलब जो पहले हमेशा एक साथ दिखाई देते थे, इस decision के बाद में Juman was very upset because he was not expecting that Algu will take a decision against him. So he was very upset and he thought he took a decision against him. So now he didn't wanted the friendship to go, and rather that friendship broke up. वो फ्रेंडशिप तो टूटा ही टूटा, लेकिन दोनों एक दूसरे के दुश्मन जैसे हो गए. मेनली जुमान ट्रीटेड अलगू एज हिज एनिमी एंड एनी हाउ ही वांटेड हिज रिवेंज, कि कैसे भी वो रिवेंज उनको लेना था. सो दिस इज हाउ इट ऑल वेंट. So now I have explained you the situation, what was there in first part, the friendship which was there, what happened with the aunt and Juman, and then again what was the situation in the second part कि वो कैसे पंचायत के पास गया, and all the things which happened and the decision which is taken by Algu for Juman and his aunt. So this is for now only. Read the chapter, keep it in your mind, and then rest of the chapter I will explain you later. Okay, I hope till here you have understood with the chapter. Now what you need to do is, इसमें जितने भी hard words हैं या जो भी hard meanings हैं, revise it, read it twice. जो भी meanings है वो आप लिख लो, चाहिए तो टेक्स्ट बुक में जितने मैंने explain किए हैं, and then you can also find कि कौन से नए words हैं, and that's how you can revise it. So this we end part 1 of this video here. Part 2 I will give you later. So till that, read the chapter properly. Thank you.